Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is online classes mathematics MCS and the chapter is the sequences. Already we solved some examples on the concept of GP. GP means geometrical mean, geometrical progression. Okay, now finding the nth term, finding the 10th term, sum of n terms, like that, some problems, some examples we solved. And the last concept is also there, that is GM, geometrical mean. Geometrical mean, GM, if A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma dash 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 Gn comma B are in GP, then it is, I will write it clearly, it is n GMs, okay na, n numbers inserted, n numbers inserted between, okay na, between A and B, that is A and B, it is A and B. We know that if A comma G comma B, only one term is in GP, then G is equal to root AB, that is GM. Is already I told this concept. If a number is inserted between two given numbers which results in GP, then that number is called as a GM. Okay, G is a GM, geometrical mean. But here there are n numbers. There are n numbers are inserted between A and B, then, okay na, that implies A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma dash 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 Gn are n numbers which are inserted between A and B, okay na. That series is denoted by GP. Here you see, observe it. In this above GP, first term is A. Okay, na? 1. B is in the middle n terms, n plus 1, n plus 2. T n plus 2, that is n plus 2th term, is equal to B. That implies it is A R power n plus 2 minus 1 is equal to B. That implies A R power n plus 1. It is R power n plus 1 is equal to B. R power n plus 1 is equal to B by A. R is equal to B by A power 1 by n plus 1. Here you observe R index is there, n plus 1. If you, on both sides, if you take 1 by n plus 1 at the root, okay na, then it cancels. Or otherwise, this index goes to that side is 1 by. So here it is the common ratio R is equal to, what is R? R is equal to B by A. Okay na? It is B by A power 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Then, you see, I will write here. Then, G1. G1 is T2 na. In the series, G1 is T2. What is T2? T2 is A R power 2 minus 1. We know that. It is A R power 1. What is A R? R is B by A power 1 by n plus 1. very clearly G1 suffix 1 is A into B by A 1 by n plus 1. Okay, Nana? G2. What is G2? G2 is the third term. Third term is AR square 3 minus 1. A1 is T2 is 2 minus 1. Here is G2 is a third term. It is third term, or otherwise I will write it. It is third term AR square. 3 is there 2. 5 is there 4. 10 is there 9. It is A into B by A power. R is 1 by n plus 1. B by A power 1 by n plus 1. But here index is there. It is 2 by n plus 1. So G2 is equal to A into B by A power 2 by n plus 1. Okay na? N plus 1. G1 is A is common, B by A is common everywhere. G1 means 1 by n plus 1. G2 means 2 by n plus 1. Suppose G10 we needed. That is A. B by A power 10 by, okay, 2 by n plus 1. 3 by n plus 1. 10 by n plus 1. Generally, GN, it's a GN, general term. General GM, not a term, it is a GN. It is a GM first, GM second, GM third, GM third one. It is A, B by A power n by n plus 1. Okay, na? So like that we can find whatever the number of GMs between given two numbers. Okay, na? This is a very good concept. Okay, na? Now we'll go to next exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. Observe. Find the 20th and nth terms of GP. Solutions. First one. Given GP. What is given GP? Is 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, dash dash. It is GP. You see, here, what is A? A is the first term, 1 by 2. Yes, very good. What is R? R means common ratio. It is T2 by T1. Whereas common difference is T2 minus T1. But here ratio, T2 by T1. T2 is 5 by 4. And T1 is 5 by 2. 5 cancels is 2 by 4. So R is equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. This 2 goes up, 2 by 4. So A, B, A and R is there. Now we need to find the 20th term. 20th term is T20. T20 means T A R power 20 minus 1. A R power 19. A is 5 by 2 na. And R is 1 by 2 na, power 19. That is 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 9. 1 power 19 is 19. 1. 2 power 19 is 2 power 19. Here you see, in denominator 2 power 1 into 2 power 19. 2 power 19 plus 1 is 20. Okay na? So that is T20. Similarly, Tn, nth term is asked. Nth term is Tn, ar power n minus 1. It is a is 5 by 2 is there, 5 by 2. R is 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Here also 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. You see, 5 into 1 is 5 by 2 power 1 into 2 power n minus 1. It is 2 power n. Okay, na? So, 20th term is 5 by 2 power 10. Nth term is 5 by 2 power n. Okay, na? Like this we have to solve the problem. Next, second one. Second is solution. Find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. Listener, what is given in the problem? Given common ratio. Common ratio, that is R, is equal to 2. We are given 2 common ratio. And 8th term, that means T8 is equal to 192. That means T8 is R power 7, 192. A means we don't know, but R is 2 common ratio. Power 7 is equal to 192. A is equal to 192 by 2 power 7. 192 by 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 5 up to 2 power 5 you learn it, 32. 2 power 6 is 32 into 2. That is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 64 to 128. So A value is you with 2 if you with 2 now. With 4 it is 2 times 4 times 4 4s 16, 32 is 4 8s, it is 4 2s 4 3s 4 2s, again 16 3s 16 2s. Okay na? So therefore A is equal to 3 by 2, whereas R is equal to 2 only. It is 3 by 2, that is 2 only. Okay, but we are asked to find the T12. 12th term is asked. A R power 12 minus 1. A R power 11. What is A? A is 3 by 2. R is 2 power 11. 3 into 2 power 11 minus 1. You see then 11 power 10, 11, sorry, 2 power 11 by 2 is there. That is 3 into 2 power 10 is there. 3 into, what is 2 power 10? Just we calculate. 2 power 10. You see that 2 power 10 is 2 power 7 into 2 cube, like that. 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 7. 2 cube is 8. 64, 8 12 96, it is 102. Okay, na? It is 1024. Again 3 4s 12, 1. 3 2s 7, 6 1 7. It is 0. So it is 3072 is the required 12th term. Okay, Nana? Okay, na? Like that. Just pass. Okay, then. Third. The third problem is the fifth and eighth and 11th terms of GP are respectively P, Q and S. Then we have to show something. Okay, na? See, the fifth term is equal to T5 is equal to AR power 4 is equal to P. This is given. Okay, na? And the eighth term is equal to T8 is equal to AR power 7 is equal to Q. And the 11th term, the T11 is equal to AR power 10. You understand it better. 5 means 4, 8 means 7, 11 means 10 is equal to S given. Okay, now you see LHS is equal to Q square. What is Q square? T8 square. That means AR power 7 whole square. That is A square R power 7 square. That is A square R power 14. This is a LHS. RHS. What is RHS? It is P into S. What is P? T5 into T8. That is equal to AR power 4 into AR power 7. A into A square R power 4 plus 7. Is correct? I'm sorry, S is T11. Just T11 is R power 10. P is T5. S is T11. So it is 4 plus 11. So A square R power 40. Here LHS is A square R power 14. Okay, na? Here RHS is A square R power 14. So from 1 and 2, hence Q square is equal to, it is P into S. Yes, it is satisfied. Prove. Okay, next, fourth one. We'll go to the fourth one. The fourth term of GP is square of its second term. And the first term is minus 3. Then determine the seventh term. Okay. We will solve. See, the fourth problem, the solution, fourth term of a GP is equal to square of second term. That implies T4 is equal to T2 square A R cube is A R only. T2 is R square. It is A square R square, where A is a first term and G is a common ratio. We have to write of given GP. We are taking like that. Okay, na? Yeah. So here A R cube is equal to A square R square. Okay, na? That is here A R is equal to, I will write square 1A, this square 1 is there. So R is equal to A. You agree? Like that you take it. or otherwise if you have any doubt, I will tell clear. It is a r cube is equal to a square r square. That implies a r cube minus a square r square is equal to 0. What is the common? A is common, r square is also common. So r, there a is remained, here is r is remained. But their numbers goes to the side is 0. So r minus a is equal to 0. So r is equal to a. Okay, no? Common ratio first terms are same. But by given okay, no? By given first term is, we are given first term a is equal to minus 3. Therefore, r is equal to a is equal to minus 3. Both common ratio and first term, both are minus 3. Okay, na? So, here in the GP, a is minus 3, r is also minus 3. Then what we have to find? Determine the seventh term. We are asked to find the seventh term. This is seventh term. Hence, the seventh term is T7 is equal to, what is T7? A r power 6. A is minus 3 and r is also minus 3 power 6. It is minus 3 into minus power even index is plus 1. This is 3 power 6. We get a minus into plus is minus 3 into 3 power 6. That is minus 3 power 7. Will agree? So minus 3 power 7 is, you see there, 3 power 4 into 3 cube. Like that we write it. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27. 27 into 3 is 81. 3 cube is 27. Okay, na? You multiply it. It is 7 56. 2 and 16. How much? 7 8 1 2 na? There it may be. It is 2 1 8 7, I think. So the calculation is arithmetic. Here is the thing, minus power even index, 6 is even index, so it is a plus. 3 power 6 and this is minus as it is. Don't write it is a minus into plus, it is wrong. Here minus, but here minus is with index even index, so it becomes as plus. Now plus into minus minus. 3 power 1 and 3 power 6. That is 3 power 7. 3 power 7 is 3 power 4 into 3 cube. 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 cube, 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 is here 81. Okay, 7, it is 7 is 56. 2 and 16. 7, 8, 11, 2. Okay, na? With minus. That is the important one. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay, na? Just first.